There's something peaceful about sailing a boat in the ocean. Maybe it's the fact that you can go anywhere you want and stay as long as you can afford. Or perhaps it's the calming waves as you glide across the water. That I'm not sure why the ocean calls people. But join me as I spend the next 25 days sailing around Catalina Island and enjoying it with my family and friends, looking at the beautiful lush greenery the spring has to offer, see the beautiful buffalo, and enjoy what it has to offer.